Hello everyone, my name is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at how wet blasting enhances the surface finish with a ceramic bead in your machine. We're going to be using the VH800 base here today to take a look at the ceramic bead and how that impacts the finish of the parts. Now a little bit about ceramic bead itself. It is a round abrasive, so it's going to be very comparable to glass bead with that characteristic. But where it differs is that it's a solid abrasive. So what that means is it's going to take a lot longer to break down. It's going to last about, I would say, 10 times longer than a typical glass bead does, which is the reason it is a little bit more expensive. For a bag of the 120-270 that we have in the machine right now, it's about $400, but you are getting a lot of extra length and use out of that abrasive that you may not get anywhere else. Now, as far as the finish that this abrasive leaves, it's going to be more of a satin finish. So where glass bead is more of a polish, this is going to be a little bit toned back, a little bit refined, more of a satiny finish. We're going to take a look at it with this piece here and do this full piece with the ceramic bead and kind of show you guys what it can do after. So stay tuned for the final results. So as you can see, the ceramic left a very nice finish on this piece. You can see it's more of that like satiny kind of finish rather than more of a polish. So it is a little bit toned back from what the glass bead's gonna offer you. Now, one thing we forgot to mention before is even though this finish isn't as smooth as glass bead, you're still actually rolling the pores on the surface of the metal to close those up instead of digging those open. These are way less prone to staining now or getting dirty again, and usually when they do get dirty, it just requires a simple blast for about 2-3 minutes and you're done. So if you guys have any questions about ceramic bead or the kind of finish that it leaves or if it's right for your parts, please let us know. We're happy to help you anytime. Our number here is 828-202-5563.